Imagine your neighbor, young Lucy, starts a fantastic lemonade stand. Her lemonade is the best on the street, a real winner. She uses fresh lemons, a secret family recipe, and even adds a sprig of mint. Soon, everyone is lining up, and her stand is making money. This isn't just a hobby anymore, it's a real growing business. Lucy dreams of expanding, more stands, maybe even delivery, but she needs money to do it. So, she offers her neighbors a deal: invest and own a piece of her company. Now the whole community can share in her success. This is how big companies are born, one great idea and a little help from others. Stocks, or shares, are little pieces of a company, like Lucy's lemonade stand. Imagine the company as a big, delicious pizza. Each stock is a slice. Buy one, and you own a piece of everything: stands, recipes, profits. You're now a part owner, with a stake in the company's future. If the business grows, your slice becomes more valuable. You could sell it for a profit, or lose money if things go south. Buying stocks in big companies works the same way. That's the name of the game. So, where do you go to buy and sell these slices of companies? You can't just knock on a corporation's door and ask for a stock. This is where the stock market comes in, a massive, organized marketplace for stocks. Today, it's a global network of computers, not just a single building. The most famous are the New York and London stock exchanges. Every day, millions buy and sell stocks through brokers. Orders are matched instantly in this electronic system. Prices rise and fall with supply and demand. It's a roller coaster, capitalism in action, and the most exciting game in the world. So, what's the bottom line? Why do people put their hard-earned money into the stock market? The main reason is the potential to make their money grow over time. Capital appreciation. People invest to reach big goals, like buying a house or building a retirement fund. But remember, stocks can be volatile. There are no guarantees. That's why learning is so important. You have to do your homework, research companies, understand risk, and know what makes a business strong. Knowledge is your armor. It empowers you to take control of your financial future. Start learning, start investing. Your future self will thank you. Booyah!